And welcome back. Today I received my elephant garlic in the mail and I am going to plant it. If you haven't seen elephant garlic, it looks like a huge bulb of garlic, but it has the garlicky taste and smell, but not as strong. And in my zone 10, it should grow. I've had difficulty growing garlic, um, normal garlic, so hopefully this will work. So I'll bring you along as I go through the process. Let's get started. Okay, this is where I'm going to put them in. This is a 15-gallon grow bag, and I received or purchased the seeds from Territorial Seeds. So what I'm going to do first is loosen up my soil, and then I'm going to put some blood meal in it. Want the soil to be kind of loose, not coarsely compacted. Using Jones oatmeal. And I'm going to mix it in. Okay, next I'm going to use the bottom of my hand trowel and poke holes in. Okay, I'm going to put them in the soil with the root end down and the pointy end standing up. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 bulbs. So I'm going to cover them over with the soil. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is water them, and then I'm going to put some mulch on top of them. Okay, there we have it. They're all planted in their new homes, nice and snug, and waiting until April or May for them to be ready to be harvested. Hopefully I did everything right, and when the time comes, I'll be able to feed them like they're supposed to be and water them. And I'm excited about it and keeping my fingers crossed. Well, I want to thank you for coming along with me on this journey of planting my first attempt at elephant garlic. Hopefully it will be a success. I'm excited about it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I would really appreciate that. If you have subscribed, don't forget to hit the like button. If you decide to subscribe, go ahead and hit the notification bell as well, so you'll be notified when I upload anything. And feel free to share my video. The liking my channel really helps it grow. My channel has grown a lot in the last 2 years, and that's got me really excited and happy. So until next time, Remember, even in small spaces, such as mine, you can grow lots amount of food to sustain yourself and your family. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow,